everybody. It's your girl, Mac Cox from MA Couture Crafting. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's talk about this Slidelock ruler. It's not a ruler. It's a notion. We're just going to call it a notion. And I have fallen in love with it. It's the kind of thing you don't know that you need until you actually have it. I saw it at a quilt store and didn't get it immediately, and I regret not doing so. It butts up against your ruler so that you can make a cut. So when you're right-handed, it is very difficult to explain this without actually seeing it used or demonstrated. So I took care of that for us, and I have a really short video on how this guy works. But the one that I am using in the video is longer. I think it's 24 inches. This guy here is 12. You might want to get both. I'm just saying. I love it. I can't not use it anymore. Oh, it's just so weird how these random notions just totally change how you quilt or how you're working. I have the one in lime green so that I can see it on all my fabric, but this lime green hurts some people's eyes. So it comes in clear also, and again it comes in 2 different sizes, and I just ordered mine straight off of Amazon. The quilt store that was carrying it did not have it in stock. Alright guys, check out the video and I will see you in the comment section. Bye-bye. Let's see if I can explain this. So this fabric is still on the bolt, and I need to cut the left hand side of the fabric so that I can start with a fresh edge. Now, if I move my ruler over, you see that I either need to walk around to the other side of my table or I need to be left-handed. See, I'm right-handed, so I would have to cross over, and that's where the issue comes in. So with this Slidelock, you just slide it up against your ruler and push it down. Now, if there were fabric on the other side of this, that would be great because that's not going anywhere. Those little rubbery things really lock it into place. And now I can grab my rotary cutter and have a fresh cut without rotating this fabric back around to the other side. I know it seems silly, but it's when you're cutting a bunch of fabric and you need to be able to cut on the left-hand side of the fabric and the numbers are all lining up that way, it's just easier. Make sure when you're using your Quilter Select rulers that the QS is facing you. That is the right side. And now I'm just cutting the fabric as usual, cutting down my strips for the Disney quilt. But I thought I would show you guys this Slidelock because it is great. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.